Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to unzip files on iPhone. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. If you have iOS 13 or later installed on your device, you can open zip files in the Files app natively without using third-party applications. First of all, launch the app and locate the zip file you want to extract. For a quick preview of its contents, press and hold on the zip file. Select Quick Look from the menu and tap on Preview Content. To extract it, tap on the file and a new folder containing the unzipped contents will be created automatically. By default, the folder name is the same as the zip archive. Simply long press on the file and choose Rename if you want it changed. Alternatively, you may also press and hold on the compressed file and tap on Uncompress from the menu. Note that the process varies depending on how large the zip file contains. If it holds megabytes of data, expect a longer time before it gets extracted completely. In case this feature isn't available on your Files app, as it should check if the current installed iOS on your device is outdated. Since you need the latest iOS versions to uncompress files conveniently, make sure to keep it updated. To update to the latest iOS version, go to Settings, select General and tap on Software Update. Download and install the update if it is available. Another alternative is to simply use third-party applications such as Unzipping, which you can download from the App Store. After installation, launch the app and click on Document Browser. By default, it will automatically display all available zip files saved on your device. The specific file you want to extract, and simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.